In Kazakh tradition, children were taught from a very young age. Tanerten Erte Turarsyn, tünegindi asharsyn, meaning you wake up early in the morning and open your window. The tünek is the central part of Yurt's roof. It allows sunlight and fresh air to enter into the shanyrak, home. Teaching children to rise early and open the tünek was not just a physical action. It symbolized inviting the energy, light, and freshness of a new day into the home. In this way, one greets the day alert and with an open heart. Interestingly, in many Eastern cultures, welcoming the new day by opening windows carries similar symbolic meaning. It is a ritual for starting the day with new possibilities and an open heart.